I'm looking at your work here. All right, here were some of my concerns about the SEO here. Like here you have affordable insurance about us. This is a very important element, the title tag. I'm going to show you a different site that we've done, which I'll give you an example. But when you go here, you can see up here, there's a lot of keywords, up to 70 characters. Make sure you use as many keywords and geo-modifiers as you can. And then the next thing is the first, you're going to want the keyword as the first header. Here you have about us. That's gonna change. And then you want to also add some geo modifiers in the first thing. This is Texas, so you need to find geo modifiers for Texas. One of the other things I noticed too, I just like if you could QA your work. Insurance. Alright, maybe this is alright. Alright, yeah, that's fine. I thought there was internet somewhere in there I saw. But yeah, like this, I would like it if you could maybe customize it a little more. Like here we have this Illinois document scanning shutdown, and then you have the cities, Washington D.C. There's more of that stuff. So let's look here. So basically, what I want to do is I want you to use this, a more wider variety of keywords in this title tag, and then add them in through the copy. I can't really tell where you put these in here, so I probably have to go through this a little more. But I just wanted, that was the big thing, was this title tag was self-employed insurance in Texas. Yeah, and this title too, like I said before, you don't need to repeat it if it's already in the URL, in the domain name. So this could be something else, like, or insurance plans in Texas. This plans is fine. You don't need to add it if the domain name already has the keywords. Yeah, another thing too you should look into, I can probably send it to you if I can find it. There's something called, if you use Dreamweaver, it is SEO Assistant, this. And it basically, you can use it and it will tell you basically the keyword density of a given word in a thing. So it's always good to keep that in mind, because you're going to want to keep the keywords that you're optimizing the page for between 3 and 5%. So yeah, this was my main concern was you're not really, here you have affordable insurance, affordable insurance, affordable insurance. This should only be used once, this word. You should have insurance coverage, and then in Texas in the title, and then include as many cities as possible. Do research if you need to. Here you have Austin, Houston, Dallas, San Antonio. Use the big cities, are usually a lot better. I highly recommend them. I think I might have sent you a geo-modifier document. Normally I would recommend adding zip codes, etc. in here. And that about sums it up. Here's a good example though. I'll send you some sites, you can look through them, just how we generally do it. That site I just shut down. So, but yeah, just if you have any questions, let me know. I'd just like it if you could go over this again one last time and just customize these title tags, because it's a very important element. And then also make sure you just customize the page URLs too. And this is good here, insurance coverage, Texas. I just like it if you could add some. This actually is fine. This says Dallas, Fort Worth. Maybe a few more geo modifiers in some of these things though. So a geo modifier is any city name. and you can basically sprinkle that, like this would be a geo-modified keyword, insurance services in Houston. So just when you're doing work for any other site, try to use as many of these geo-modifiers as you can, because you want to basically make it show up for a local search. So just keep that in mind. Always optimize the site for local searches. You want the searches to show up for someone in that area so that they call them and they get the service. So if you have any questions, let me know. That sums it up for now. I'm going to give you a couple more assignments to do, but just touch this one up, send it back, and we'll go on from there. If you couldn't understand anything I said, let me know and we'll go over everything. Thanks.